Hey folks, and welcome to another Incubation Engineering update about real-time editing of issue descriptions. The last 2 weeks were quite busy ones, so we have 3 major items to talk about. First one is message protocol. We at GitLab rely on ActionCable as we are a Rails application, and WebSockets are implemented with ActionCable in Rails. The problem with ActionCable, or it's not a problem for most of the use cases, but the problem case of like using CRDTs and real-time collaboration is that there are no real guarantees for the delivery of a message. This is due to how it's implemented on the server side. This is also due to the fact like how WebSockets work in general. So in order to overcome those limitations, we need to do 2 things. We need at least once delivery guarantees for messages, and we also need an atomic broadcasting mechanism, which means we need to guarantee the order of messages. That means if I send you 4 messages in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, they also need to arrive in the order of 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is doable, and the protocol that I propose here is built on top of ActionCable. So it just adds an acknowledge mechanism from the client side. It uses Redis streams and consumer groups to make sure that a message was successfully consumed, etc. Next topic, editor bindings. Incredibly complex because we have a relatively sophisticated setup of editors already on our page, and we get even more editors in the future. The current, I'm focusing on what is going to be the future of content editing. That's the content editor based on TipTap. And we most likely will have a second editor for the foreseeable future, which is the Markdown editor. There is a lot of transformation steps. It's quite unclear what is this actual source of truth. And thanks to the help of Enrique and Eric's team, we will eventually figure out like how to do this properly. I believe there is a way forward, but we need to make sure that we find the right constraints without sacrificing the user experience here. So that's the key task. And it's a lot of work, obviously, because the transforms needs to be written. Third point for this update is the Awareness UI Part 2. I tried to ship this once to the current issue page, which did not succeed due to the conflicting projects of reducing the clutter on the sidebar and my work. And so I am working with Gabe Weaver and Nick Leonard to get this into the work items view. Work items are going to be quite different to how issues work today. And they also have a bit of a different awareness UI. There's actually 2 levels of awareness. One is at the level of the work item, like I'm present on this work item, I'm doing something there, even if it's just reading, I will be shown as visible or present. And then there's the field level activity or the field level awareness. And this is when I'm actively typing in the description field. This is going to be implemented as the next iteration of the awareness UI. And that's already it for the week. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.